Good morning, student. Welcome back once again. Today, I will begin with very important chapter, that is chapter number 4, financial planning. This chapter is very important, not only the student, but it is also important for common people or the taxpayer. Children, last year in ninth standard you have done income tax, means how to calculate income tax. This year in 10th standard you are going to calculate GST. I will tell you some information regarding GST. The full form of GST is goods and service tax. Goods means the things which you buy or sell, and service means like doctor service, teacher service, and lawyer service. Children, the tax paid on these goods and services is called as a GST. Children, Maharashtra is the first state who included GST in 10th standard syllabus. No other state have included GST in their syllabus. If you will check the history of GST, children, then France was the first country who adopted GST in the year 1954. In India, this GST, means this bill, was presented in upper parliament, means Lok Sabha, on 3rd August 2016. Then it is when it is passed from the upper parliament, then it is presented in lower parliament, that is Rajya Sabha, on 8th August 2016. After that, 15 states of India rectified this bill. Rectified means what? Passed this bill. Out of that, Assam was the first state and Maharashtra was the 10th state who passed this bill. Children, after this rectification from 15 states, the bill is presented to the president, means a president of India. After signing the president, the bill is included in our constitution. So children, in India, the GST started on 1st July 2017. So this is just a brief idea, or you will say the history of GST in India. Children, as you know that this year, because of corona, some chapter from some chapter the portion is deleted. Now from this chapter the major part is deleted. So before to begin this chapter, I will tell you that what part of this chapter is deleted. So please take over your pen and textbook, and whatever page I am telling you, children, just you put cancel or put draw a line that is not, that part is not included this year, that is 2021. Now children, page number 94. Page number 94. See that more information is written. So you cancel that part, only more information. About that more information, question number 7 of exercise 4.2. That sum is there, only that more information is not there. So you cancel this page. 95 page, page number 95, it is there. You have to go through that. Then page number 96, cancel again more information. Cancel that part, only more information. From note, it is there. So you have to go through this note on page number 96. After that, children, page number 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, and 108. Whole this, all this part is omitted this year. Means from page number 97 to page number 90, page number 97 to 108. Next children, on page number 111, that is full problem set 4B, 111 and 112. This part is omitted. So I hope that all of you have understood that what part from this chapter is omitted. Okay children? Now today I will start the chapter number 4, a very important part. Open your textbook, page number 81. Just see that children, they have given one tree diagram, page number 81. And in this tree diagram, you will see that there are many different types of taxes. Some of the taxes, how to calculate, it was there in 9th standard. Now see this, excise duty means excise tax, service tax, VAT, CST. Excise duty means what? The tax collected on tobacco product. For example, I will say cigarette or BD, etc. Then service tax, the tax collected from the service like doctor service, and I said lawyer service. So the tax collected on this is called service tax. Custom duty, suppose you have import something from one country to another country, then you have to pay tax, that is called as a custom duty. Like that you have CS, central surcharge and cess. Last year 9th standard you have done education cess. Same thing children, it is central surcharge. Then VAT, value added tax. Then you have luxury tax, means if you are traveling with a special type of tickets in a plane, right? So that is called as a luxury tax. Then entertainment tax, movie, cinema. Octroi means if you are traveling from one state to another state, then you have to pay toll, that is called as a octroi. CST, central sales tax, then you have to pay uh, countervailing duty, CVD, special additional duty, right? That is if you will purchased flat or property, then you have to pay stamp duty that comes in this. So these are the different types of tax. Before GST, government collects these different types of tax. But now from 1st July 2017, the all tax converted into one tax, that is called as a goods and service tax. So all of you understood children, this all text which is shown in the textbook page number 1, page number 81, is included in one text which is called as a GST. Now if you will purchase something from the shop, or if you will sell something from your shop, then you have to give the receipt, or you will say bill. That is called as a, in GST it is called as a tax invoice. So tax invoice means it is a receipt given by the seller. Okay. So now in this receipt, children, you can see there are many important things. First of all, you have to write your, first of all you have to write your name of the shop. As you can see in this, uh, name of the shop is written, that is A to Z, A to Z, uh, A to Z Sweet Mart. After that, there is a address of that shop, that is 143 Shivaji Rasta, Mumbai. So this address is given. Below that, mobile number of that shop, then email ID. So just give your brief idea, brief things, address, name about that supplier. And below that there is a invoice number, means bill number. Okay, invoice number means bill number. So GST oblique 110. This is the bill number of this invoice tax. After that, today's means date of that, which date you have taken this, all materials, all goods. So that is called invoice date, 31st July 2017. Now what is important thing in this, you can see that there is a GSTIN, right? GSTIN, I will tell you the full form of this, that is goods and service tax identification number. This is the important part for the supplier. Now you can see that, children, there is a 15 uh, letter and the numbers, means together 15 uh, letters are given, 27, then A B C D E 1 2 3 4 H 1 Z 5. This all together is 15. Now this is the very important part for the supplier. Now here, if you will see 27 27, what it indicates, this indicates the code of, or you will say, yeah, it indicates the pin code of that state. For example, we are in Maharashtra, so the pin code of Maharashtra is 27. If you are supplying, if you are selling something from your shop, so you will see that they will write 27. So 27 represents the state code. This is the state code of Maharashtra. Then you have A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, H. What is this? This is 10 digit. All together is 10 digit. So this is the PAN number of this supplier. This is the PAN number, children. From where? A to H. PAN number. Then after that there is a 1. Now what is the meaning of this 1? 1 represents the registration number. Suppose this supplier registered, it has only one shop, so he will write 1. If there is two shops, so 2, like that, 3 4 5 6. If it is 10, then he will not write there 10, he will write there A. Then 11, so he will write B. So this way you can register your firm. What about Z then? In this, if you see there is a Z, it is by default, means for all GST tax invoice you will find Z later. It is by default, it is common for all the tax invoice. And last, it is number. See, you can see that there is a 5. Okay, it is just a number which is required for checking the invoice. So all together is 15 digits. In this you can see 15 digit. 27 is a code of a state, then A to H is the PAN number of that supplier, 1 is registration, and Z is by default, it is common for all, and this number 543 is required to check the invoice. Okay, so I hope that you have understood the meaning of this. Now below, if you will see, children, in this serial number is written, then HSN is written. Now what is the meaning of HSN? See, each supplier classified its good, so that goods required the code. Okay, so that supplier gives the code of each material or each goods, that is called as a HSN code. And the full form of HSN code is harmonized system of nomenclature. As you will see in this receipt, children, payday is written, so the supplier has given the code as 210690, because in the shop we will find many items or many materials, so that is why supplier has to give the code. So for payday he has given 210690, then for chocolate 210691, and like that all the items are given the code, that is called HSN. Then after that there is a rate. See, rate is written rupees 400 per kg, then rupees 80, then rupees 200. So this is the rate of this goods, you can say. Then quantity, how much quantity you have taken in this. That person has taken 500 gram, means half kg. Then you have taken, that person has taken one bar, one pack. So quantity column is required. Then taxable amount, this is the very very important part. Taxable amount means on which amount you are going to pay the tax. See, the cost of per kg of paddy is how much? 400 rupees, but you have taken only 500 gram, means half kg. So what is the half of 400? It is 200. So 200 becomes the taxable amount. That is, you have taken one bar chocolate, so it is 80 rupees. One pack of ice cream, so it is 200 rupees. So this will becomes the taxable amount. Now children, after that the very important part. See, GST is divided into three categories. Number one is called as a CGST. The full form of CGST is what? Central Goods Service Tax. And second one is what? It is SGST, that is State Goods and Service Tax. One more is there which is called as a UTGST. What is UTGST, children? Union Territory Service Goods Service Tax. See, we have around nine states like Pondicherry, you can say, Chandigarh, you can say, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Delhi. All these are the union territory, so they have to pay what? UT SGST. So this GST is classified into three categories. The one is called as a CGST, second is called as a SGST, and third one is called as a UTGST. Okay, I hope all of you have understood. Now next column is given here, CGST. You can see that rate is given 2.5%, means on this amount, on 200, you have to pay CGST as 2.5%. For all the goods, you will see next page, that is on page number 84 in your textbook. They have given the rate of all the goods, means the GST rate of all the goods. Okay, so for payday it is 2.5, and it is same for SGST. It is same for SGST. Okay, like you can see a 14%, so 14% SGST. So calculate 2.5% of 200, it is 5 rupees. 2.5% of 200 is 5 rupees. Similarly, 14% of 80 is 11.20. So these are indicates the central goods service tax. This tax goes to the central, and same amount, that is SGST. You are in Maharashtra, so you have to pay Maharashtra government this same amount. Okay, that is 5 rupees, 11 rupees on these materials. So all this together when added, you will get around 41.70 as a CGST and 41.70 as SGST, and the total value of all this material is 723.40. So this is all about, children, your tax invoice. Whenever you will purchase or you will sell, so you have to give the shopkeeper will give you like this types of tax invoice. Then on page number 83, Page number 83. Now some blanks are given. Just you fill all this activity. It's very simple. I will sorry. I will tell you. See, first one, CGST at the rate of 2.5% is rupees. So that from the text you from that table you write down like that SGST. What is the rate? So it is same. So this way you should fill these boxes. This is one activity. Below that, one table is given which indicates the tax invoice of service provided. Just a sample copy of this. So fill this also taxable amount. Say it is written here, masala tea. You have taken one quantity. Rate is 10. So 10 rupees. What is the CGST? You should write down 2.5% here. Then second one is masala dosa, right? So it is the rate is given 60, quantity is 2. So how much it will come? 120 rupees because rate is 60. So 120. Find out the 2.5% of CGST. Same way 2.5% of SGST. Like this you just do the activity I will say here. Then on page number 84 children, just see that they have given the different types of goods and services. Also they have given the rate of GST, which already I have told you that if some essential quantities are given like grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, so no need to pay any GST to CGST, central government, and SGST. So it is 0% rate. Then here low rated is given 5%, lowest rate. If you will see of GST is 5%. So goods are given, services are given, railway transport service, bus transport service, taxi services. So this GST is given 5%. This way for all the rates are given on different goods and different services. Then children, like that on page number 85, if you will see that activity is given, see, make a list of 10 things you need in your daily life, find the GST rates with the help of GST rate chart. So here you have to just fill what things you require in daily life. See, like that, 2 is given, sketchbook, a compass box. So like that you filled 5 items in this. Then what are the rate of GST of these items? You will get from the next page, page number 84. Then again goods, there are 10 goods actually, so 10 goods you write down and rate of GST. So this is about the goods. Below they have given the uh, about the services. So just you fill all these things. This is one type of activity which will clear you more about the GST. What is the rate of these goods? What is the rate of this service? How to calculate this SGST, how to calculate CGST. This will clear you in this table. So children, here I have given you a brief idea about the GST. Then also if you have any doubts in this, okay, you can ask me or you can comment in your class. I will clear you in my next video. Now I will begin with the exercise number 4.1, that how to calculate the CGST sorry, how to calculate the SGST and how to calculate GST. So now I will begin with the exercise 4.1.